ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯤꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ 93 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯔꯥꯏꯐꯜꯁꯅ ꯆꯨꯔꯥꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯍꯥꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ZRA ꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯤꯒꯅꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯗꯦꯚꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ amadi leibak asigi economic zone singda multimodal connectivity thamnaba amasung India gi infrastructure gi landscape ta achoba awonba ama puraknaba Prime Minister Narendra Modi na PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan launch tawkhre Miyamna government piba COVID-19 gi SOP sing ningthi na ngakna chatuna chathokpa matamda mask upiba sanitizer sirinaba khutsa seng na toina hambiba amasung foot taruki distance ngakna chatpa haiba chana kanglon sing asitung induna COVID-19 dagi ngakthok minasi loina na chahi tarani pangi mathakki leiba mioi singna COVID-19 vaccine soidina kapthok piu kurumzari PONYTV gi nungthil gi Manipuri pau miging tabiriba singbu Jennifer Sarmana taram nokchari hauzik pau sandokna pizari Skill India Mission gi manung chana ngasi 93 suba Assam Rifles na Churachandpur district ki Singhatta laiba Jomi Revolutionary Organization Jomi Revolutionary Army ZRA gi designated camp da Skill Development Center ama hangdokri ZRA asi Manipur government amasung center ga suspension of operation su tongnaduna laiba lalholupni New Skill Renew Lives haiba hiramda pangthokhiba ngasigi thoram aduda Major General Alok Naresh IGAR Sakna Skill Center adu hangdokhi Center asida sewing machine amadi computer kaya yauri Major General Alok Naresh IGAR Sakna haiki Government of India na paikhatliba Skill India gi saruk ama oina ngasigi thoram asi pangthokpani Government ga su taunaduna lairiba ZRA gi camp ta lairiba kadar singda kharadang oirabasu kanaba phanghanabagi pandamda center asi hangdokpani makha tana mafam kaya dasu asigumba center asi hangkhigani ni haina mahakna makha taki
Very happy to announce this that today is a historic day and in this we have also gone a few steps ahead we have plans on which the state government and the central government they are on the same page and in case if we find a good response out of this skill development center which we have opened here we have plans to improve it further so we have different rather bigger plans where large number of these cadres can get benefited and thereafter we can get them back to the
Leibak asigi economic zone singda multimodal connectivity thamnaba amasung India gi infrastructure gi landscape ta achoba awonba ama puraknaba Prime Minister Narendra Modi na PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan launch tawkhre plan asi Prime Minister gi Atmanirbhar Bharat marumdum lepcheba India gi vision adugi yamna maru oiba saruk ama oiri plan asina $1 trillion ama dasmik manga gi oiba project singi national infrastructure pipeline da Hena sakti pisinduna khongjel yang hangadori COVID-19 pandemic na maram oiduna India gi economy da chawna chaifu piba leiba chairakta India gi economy asi $1 trillion manga ohenaba thamliba pandam adu fangna bahotnabada mateng ohelagani hairi Prime Minister na Gati Shakti asi ngasi ayuk pung 11 taba matamda New Delhi gi Pragati Maidan da launch tawki Manipur University na Central University on Kibagi Tarataruk Suba Chahigi Palan ngasi Manipur University Students Union Mushuna Sinduna Manipur University Court Hall the Pangchokri Mapo Kumon Gamari Lainana Manipur University gi Problems and Prospect Haibakhana Nainabagi Thoram Amasu Pangchokhi Thoram Aduda Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendro Singna Chief Guest Musugi Chaliba lising anikun mathogi President Mairemba Michael Singna President Amadi MU gi Students Welfare gi Dean Dr. L. Bishwanath Sarmana Guest of Honor oina saruk yaki Khana naina bagi thoram aduda Manipur University Department of Physics ki Professor S.S. Dorendrojit Singna Department of Mathematics ki Head of Department Professor M. Ranjit Singh Amadi Biochemistry Department ki Professor Devananda Singh Ningthauzamna panelist oina saruk yaki Imphal Palace Compound Laiba Government Music and Dance College the Regional News Unit All India Radio Imphal Amadi Department of Art and Culture Government of Manipur na Sinduna ngasi Azadi ka Amrita Mahotsav pangchokri. Thorom aduda Art and Culture gi Commissioner M. Joy Singh, Art and Culture gi Director N.G. Uttam Amadi, All India Radio Imphal gi Assistant Director Jin Gangtena Dais Famki. Thorom aduda N.G. Uttam na haiki. Matam amadadi maraybak ningba haibasi landa saruk yaba oina launa rami adubu hauziki matam dadi laybak chawkhatnaba oina hotnare maram aduna haugalakliba nahasingna masagi tungi pandam ga loinana maraybak ningba pandam gi thamba chang I oina phangdoki
matam amadadi lan kali medadi lelang ningba use Kiriba kita makta, Hawaii Tawa, Lan Jalma, mungkin lelang England lorong. Hausi lan lelang matam sedegi, mereka ingin bahaya dari kena, mereka ingin bahaya dari lelang situ, lelang firman sedegi, yang cakap apa, aman bohana begini, awan tahu situ mungkin pangwa, lelang situ kaya cakap bohana begini, lelang begini, itu mereka tahu. Adanya, itu lelang sing, bicara sing, jen sing, apa Kuisi yang mayama lelang minggu itu, kopi lega bisa ditunjuk pada waktu tampilan. Tunggu mai papa acan citizen nama oilu.
NDA government of Manipur is working with full dedication to fulfill PM Modi's mission to bring clean water to every rural household in the country. CM N. Biren Singh has already announced that potable water would reach all households in rural Manipur by 2022. How ambitious this task is can be gauged from the fact that when the National Jal Jeevan Mission was launched on August 15, 2019, only 5.74% rural households in Manipur had tap water connections. This meant that out of 4,51,566 such households, only 25,920 had functional household tap connection. But in just 2 years, that number has grown to 2,35,628. That is from 5.74% to 52.18%. 284 villages and 255 panchayats have already achieved 100% FHTC status. Such has been the seriousness of the government that 2 remote villages close to the Myanmar border, Khangbarol and Khengjoy, have also been provided full regular water supply. These villages were once severely infected with insurgency, but now all 155 families there have tap water supply. Despite the massive COVID-19 outbreak slowing down the progress, CM N. Biren Singh is determined to provide every household potable water supply by next year. As PM Modi aims to bring clean water to every home in the country by 2024, CM Singh is ensuring Manipur is at the forefront of this mission.
Admissions open for pre-primary teachers training courses. 10 seats per batch for 6 months. 90% job facilities, also available online classes. For more details, please contact Nawasingdamsang Office, Changangai, Makalekai. Contact number 8837483810. Occasion singidamagta makhal kiyagi cake haibadi photo cake, layer cake, brunch cake, barbie cake, fruit topping cake, cupcakes ina chingba fangbigani amadi adomgi apamba mawongda cake customize tawbagi khudong chabasu pisari. Khudongchabasing asi lawbinabagidamagta lengsing bidau aikhoigi address NG College Road near Naurangtong. Phone number 9864112972. Aikhoigi online partner food wifi amasung food web tagisu order tawiba yagani.
Break matung taram nokchari makhataba pauda apunba Manipur matam isai kanglub amik Imphal East District Center gi ani suba mapok kumon ngasi Imphal East District ki manung chana leiba Kombirai Garden da pangthokri Thoram aduda Khurai Assembly Constituency gi MLA L Susindro Maitai amik Imphal East District ki President Sori Sanjam amik Head Office ki President Amadi amik Imphal East District Center gi Chief Consultant Khaidem Thoiba amasung Sawumbung Gram Panchayat Imphal East ki Pradhan and Daneshwarna Dais Famki Thoram aduga mari lainana amik ki advisor Narendra Ningombana haikibada haukiba chahi dagi hauzik fawbada artist community singna mayok nariba awaba asida MLA Susindro na mateng kaya pangbirakpagi damak harawa phongdokpaga loinana asigumba MLA na mateng pibagi thabak asigumna tungda artist singna awaba tarakpa matamda miyam dagi sumateng fangani haibagi thazaba phongdokhi Amik Imphal East District na thawai hakchang yaungna thabak tawba changi hainasu Narendra Ningombam na phongdokhi
Amiki apagi kenoda matam isai numitasu warum kharandi ai kangjar mayana khalli madugi makhat sathajar po oina aikoina artist na sei aikogi isai sanjari basa aduga keyboard kongaliba tabla tambiriba guitar tambiriba punamak singa se aikoi swagi apik pathorum macha masu kharada yauraga chaga kha pauraga ai lekai da ai kenoda khungam da pauraga da lotion di masibu ai masidi chumde haina lowibo kitang madudagi hena pakthukna akoi miyeng ama thamje adu tardi aikoina sima miyeng tham targadi kramai toktari pachana makoi guide to botai guide to di kanana tokduriba mama mapana plus ngasigi center sina torkadine
Moirang Assembly Constituency ki voter listing ni panchanga na ngarang NPP National People's Party da mingchan ki bagal loinana lakadoriba State Assembly mikhalda NPP gi mirep oigadoriba thongam saratna chawna mai paklagani haibagi thazaba laire haina NPP gi National Vice President amadi Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar na phongdokre wafam asi nauna NPP da mingchan ki ba mioi listing ni panchanga adu opagi thorumda phongdokhibani Joy Kumar na hai mamangi election da NPP na candidate mari khakka bangam khrabasu majority fangba BJP ga chungsinaba sarkar ama semkhibani masing yamjadraba NPP gi MLA amadi minister na torokpa thabakta penvi duna masing yamlaba miyamna NPP da join tawbirakpa numit asi NPP gi oinadi yamna maru oiban numit ni haina phongdokhi NPP gi General Secretary Administration Sheikh Nurul Hasan Youth ki President Laitonjam Jayananda, Moirang ki Political Affairs Committee ki Chairman Ahanthem Ingocha, Moirang Kendra Progressive Fund ki Chief Advisor Y Moduna Chingba Maru Ebamioi Kayasu Thoram Aduda Saruk Yaki. Haukiba September gi tang kunithoi da khutlai paiba lalhobani chingnaba mioi karana faraga tamthiba mawung da hatok piramba atwan abonmai gi aroiba mathau mangam pangthokpaga mari lainana ngarang Atwan abonmai gi mihat ki mayok da sem kiba JAC ga Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren ga Imphal da laiba CM Secretariat ta mifam ama pangthoktuna unakri Lupa lak tara gi check ama JAC da sinaki baga loinana atwan abonmai gi asiba haksang hayeng October gi tang tara mari da leirol chen baga loinana funeral service kam condolence ki thoram ama Tarung Village Community Hall da pangthoklagani Mihat asigi mayokta sem kiba JAC amadi abonmai gi imung manungna leirol chenbagi thoram asida lamdam asigi civil society organization sing amadi mahaka khangna ramba tinaramba marup singda saruk yabina ba pauze lakli paugi merak thatna atenba break amamuk longminasi
occasion singi damakta makhal kya gi cake haibadi photo cake layer cake brunch cake barbie cake fruit topping cake cupcakes in a chingba fangbigani amadi adomgi apamba mawongda cake customized tawbagi khudong chabasu pisari khudong chabasing asi lawbinabagi damakta lengsing birau aikhoigi address NG College Road near Naurangtong phone number 9864112972 Aikoigi online partner food wifi amasung food web tagisu order tawiba yagani
Break matung taram na okchari makhataba pauda Durga Puja kumhaina lakpada Manipur gi Governor Lal Ganeshan, Manipur gi Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren Singh amadi CAF and PD gi Minister T.A. Saityabrata miyamda yaifa paujal pirakli. Governor Lal Ganeshan na haikibada Durga Puja kumhai asi miyam na harau tayamna amasung lining dharma gi khenaba thamdana pangthokli. Kanglup Puruk ki khenaba thamdana machin mana oibagi mari chetsin bada kumhai asina mateng pangli. Kumai asina apun bagi saktam sagatuna fataba pumbabu thengna bada mateng oirasanu hairi. Chief Minister N. Birena Lairembi Durgana Thousand Biduna Tangdu Laitaba Amadi Nungayai Faba Purakpada mateng pangba oirasanu haina fongdorakli. Amaromda IPR gi Minister Thongam Biswajit nasu Manipur gi miyamda Durga Puja gi yaifa pauzel pirakli. Kangpopi District ki manung chana leiba B Gamnom Khulda Kukilal Haulup ki kadar oigani chingnaba miyoi singna Miyam gi oiba mifam pangthok lengaida nomai kapsil lambadagi village sip yauna miyoi ahum laikhidre amana sok lei hairi laikhidraba sing adudi NP Kholen Khuldagi Paulal Kipgen chahi yangkhai mathoi apopagi ming kamtho tinhang Kipgen Saichang Khuldagi Jamkholan Khongsai chahi humpunipan B Gamnom Khuldagi Lalming Thang chahi nipan apopagi ming Semin Thang Kawi hairi Police tagi fangba pau amagi matung ina haukiba tha asigi tang tarada security forces singa khut thokna bani haiba thodokta laikhidraba KNLA gi member mari gi manungda B Gamnom Khuldagi ngamjapau khongsai amasung pauthin thang kipgen ani gi awaba fongdorapa amasung lai khoirambagi thoram pangthoklingaida ayuki pung 12 makhai taba matamda Kutlai matik chana paiba combat dress set pa Kukilal Haulup amagi kadarni chingnaba miyoi tararom laklaga mafam aduda nongmai kapa amadi fuba chaiba horakkibani hairi. Thodok adugi pau hek fangbaga Imphal East District Police amasung taruk suba Assam Rifles ki apunba team ama mafam aduda changsin duna thiba humbagi thabak chatharabasu mifa mipun amata laikhide hairi. Mafam aduda makhatana thokhaningdeba thodok thoraktanaba Imphal East District Police Commando gi team ama deploy tawkre hairi. All Manipur 10 amadi 11 Baiba Vosi completed IRB rifleman amadi written completed Jamadar candidates 2019 na makhoi final result October gitang kun fawagi manungda laukthok piu haina Manipur gi Chief Minister Minister Singh amadi MLA Singh Taksin Kri Serol amana hai result asi laukthokna bahona bada ayet apan amata pibidana candidate singna haizariba matam asi fawbada laukthok pangamna ba MLA Minister Singna mateng pangbiu haina su candidate singna fongdorakli Hauzik toknga oina recruitment asi English ani kunithoi election matungda loishingani haibasi achumba oiram labadi candidate amadi guardian singna amukta thokhidriba ihau changsingani hairaduna candidate singna Chief Minister N Birena Luchingba Manipur government na kadai fawba thak pakhet pirakani haibasi thazaba thamjari haina su cherol aduna palli Liklam motion picture na puthokpa The Checkpost haiba Manipuri feature film amagi yaifa thauni ngasi Thangal Bazar gi Major Khulda leiba Manipur Press Club ta pangthokri Thorom aduda Film Forum Manipur FFM gi chairman Samjet Sabam Mangolzau Pukram Sarat Singh Social Welfare Department gi retired Joint Director Surender A Shishak amadi retired Deputy Director V Mingting Lana Saruk Yaki Hauzik aroi beda maru ebe pau amuk hana. Skill India Mission ni manung chana ngasi nifu taruk suba Assam Rifles na Churachandpur District ki Singhata laiba ZRA gi designated camp da Skill Development Center ama hangdokre. Amadi laibak asigi economic zone singda multi-modal connectivity thamnaba amasung India gi infrastructure gi landscape ta achauba awonba ama puraknaba Prime Minister Narendra Modi na PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan launch tawkre ngasigi oinadi PONYTV na pizaba nungthilgi Manipuri pau miyeng tabiri basingbu amuk hana khurumjari